catch more.
Holy frick.
Probably all dead now. They're sitting there.
That's a 3-pounder right there. And 21 inches.
17 inches.
Round. We'll get it right back in there before he dies. On the boat. And we're gonna catch we're gonna be catching bass on the boat today. So yeah, let's the first. The next fish we caught was this decent little, chunky largie. Just dropped my thing down into the weeds and pulled him right up. Pretty nice, actually. Largemouth in the weeds. Pull his body up here. There you are. Later. This next spot ended up being really good, actually. They didn't really have much size to them, but we got some decent little chunky smallmouth. They're definitely eating well here, for sure. And we also caught this fish, which I think was the biggest smallie of the day. I'm not sure if the other largemouth was bigger than this one, but it's definitely close. And we ended off the trip with this little smallie. I also took these two scenic pictures, which are just absolutely gorgeous. The second one will come up in a minute. But I just saw the mountains and the clouds and the water. It really did look just really beautiful. And the second one, especially with the darkness of the clouds, they were just really cool to see. That's going to be it for this video. If you want to see more boat fishing, subscribe, I guess. So it was fun today. Caught a couple chunky little bass, and that's really all. So there's not much to say. Nothing much else to say right now, so goodbye.